we've got something a little bit special here today. Something we've never done before, and this is all in anticipation for something that will be coming out. So this video potentially will be coming out after we've actually shown what we're about to do. So I'm gonna get Sam in here in a minute. Sam?
Hello.
Right, can I show you something here? So we've got a project. Oh, hang on. Oh, you got it,
Let
okay.
myself in, I'm in. Oh, what is this, playtime? Fucking hell.
What do you think?
I'm not sure where the diagnostic port is.
Yeah, right. So, Alex, if you'd like to do the honours.
Do the honours.
What we're doing, okay, this is something that me and Alex have come up with.
So
you're getting involved in this as well.
Go out on business errands.
We only went to Macro, but we came back to something else. Here we are. Let's go pick the beast up. Okay, here we are, behind the scenes. This is the little guy we're going to go for. Alex, which one are you going to pick up? Princess one? Oh,
I think it's got to go original.
Okay, this is the one. This is the beast. Initial thoughts?
It's going to look savage. That's my thought.
All right, that's what it looks like. Let's see what it looks like in the coming weeks. Oh yeah, got the goods. I feel like, part of me feels like you're going to keep this one after it's done.
Yeah, I think I am. I'm going to find
That's
the
the more
biggest hill.
important part. It's definitely not going down a hill, that. Won't pass safety regs.
Like the Haribos.
Don't worry about
I
that.
think we're having a party.
Right, she's loaded up, ready to go. So, we have a Little Tikes car.
There's some assembly required.
Okay, there's a story behind this. Go on, get it out.
Steady on.
What we're going to do
It now needs some
is
light
repair
accident
it.
repair.
We are going to make a Carbonwurks first Little Tikes carbon machine.
A Carbon Coupe.
Carbon Coupe. I don't think I'm going to quite get through that, but the Carbon Coupe.
The doorless Carbon Coupe.
We'll fix that. So this is going to be the Carbonwurks development vehicle, and me and Alex come up with an idea. This is going to be forged carbon with a few little special bits, but you've got the easy task because these, well, I didn't really like those.
No.
So what we need
Not much traction in those.
What we need to do is create a go-kart type chassis. I want to see some proper go-kart wheels here. I want to see it low, mean, aggressive, none of these little things. And I want to see a steering rack come out. So let Alex do the carbon bit. Yeah. You can do the mechanic
I'll
bit.
just do the easy bit.
And I'm going to sit back and go in the office. They can get on with that. Right, enjoy. Cool. I want that done in 5 weeks, by the way.
5 weeks.
join us here. This is the finished article, the Cozy Coupe, which the Carbon Coupe. You're right there, actually. Sorry. Let's start with one again. You join us here with the Carbon Coupe, and it's in all of its glory. Doesn't it look absolutely insane? So I thought we'll round this one up. There's going to be some other parts of this video which you may have already seen, some cinematics of this project all complete. But I thought let's just have a bit of a review and chat about what we've actually done here. So the man standing to my left, or your right, is Alex, who has basically done all of the carbon fibre work here. So we've gone with a forged carbon for both the top section and the bottom section, which is very difficult to do, as I'm sure Alex will probably tell me all about it. But the process of this was overlaying and skinning effectively forged carbon fibre onto the original panels. If we were to make this from scratch, it'd cost thousands. So we've done the original panels and then infused forged carbon fibre. We've gone with the original red underneath here, which is tinted lacquer. You'll see that pop in the light here. It's maybe not the best lighting for it. And then we've gone with a gold flake for the top section. So Alex was doing his best Salt Bay impression, sprinkling that all on top. So it's a little bit thick, the gold, to see under most lights, but there's forged carbon under here, which you really see in person in the light. It looks amazing. So we've also gone with some gold carbon twill front and rear cheeks. And then working our way around, obviously we've got these nice looking wheels with some nice white, very functional dice there for the valve caps. It's been lowered, it's been widened. It's, what's the phrase? Lower the altitude, increase the attitude?
Yeah.
Something like that. So
Stanced for sure.
Exactly that, yeah. Stance life. So it's been a big project. So firstly, big thanks to Alex for doing your thing here. It looks absolutely amazing. And likewise, Sam, for getting this one finished up, buttoned up, built. And when I say lower a Little Tike's car, it's not the usual request, but there you go.
Big project, little car.
Exactly that. So just to round up, I'm going to ask you a couple questions. What is your favourite piece of this build?
Probably the carbon, to be fair. I think I like the fact that we've retained the standard colour scheme. But obviously it's entirely different at the same time. And yeah, as I'm sure we'll see in the video, when it's outside in the sun, you can see it all in its glory. So yeah, I think when we first got it completed and sent it out the door, that was the favourite point for me. It was all together and you could see it all come together and see it pop in the sunshine. So.
Yeah, no, it is very, very special. I think this is a one of one, and although we haven't fully decided what we're going to do with this one yet, you'll have to wait and see. It looks amazing. And one final question, what was the biggest pain in the arse with this build?
Probably getting the eyes to stick onto Alex's bestest, glossiest carbon. I felt too bad to drill holes in it and screw them on. So, I've got the eyes stuck on there. Took me a few goes to get them A to stay put and B to be central. But yeah,
fantastic.
Everything else, Alex did a proper job of making it all finished so that it still fit together, so it went straight together as it would do out of the box. And then, the rest of it was, I had the easy job.
It's Alex who did all the paint.
Alex did the heavy lifting.
Nice.
On this one.
Excellent. So. Well, fantastic. I'm chuffed with this. I almost don't want to get rid of it, but it has to go, and it might, as I said, go for a very good reason, which you guys will have to follow us on Facebook and Instagram and so on to see what we do with this. But I hope you've enjoyed that video. Please subscribe and like. It makes a big difference to a small channel like ourselves. I hope you've enjoyed this build. Big thanks to both of you guys. Give me some skin. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time for the big build. Anyway, get on with it.